Oh, it ain't gonna rain no more, no more. It ain't gonna rain no more. How in the world will we wash our neck if it ain't gonna rain no more? Oh, we're gonna read stories about rain today. I'm gonna read my favorite one, In the Rain with Baby Duck, and plus another one. I think you will enjoy reading books about rain. So you know what? Come on, let's get started. So, my friends, I have many books today. I just don't know which one I would like to read. But you know what? Let's get started. I'll pick one. We're going to read the book In the Rain with Baby Duck. Oh, this is my favorite book for today. I love Baby Duck. Sometimes Baby Duck is a little pouty, and I can relate to that. And this book is written by Amy Hess, In the Rain with Baby Duck. Oh, look at Baby Duck. She's looking sad. It's raining outside. Pitter-pat, pitter-pat, pitter-pitter-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby Duck was mad. She did not like walking in the rain. But it was Pancake Sunday, a Duck family tradition, and Baby loved pancakes. And she loved Grandpa, who was waiting on the other side of town. Pitter-pat, pitter-pat, pitter-pitter-pat. Follow us, step lively. Mr. and Mrs. Duck left the house arm in arm. Wet feet, wailed Baby. Don't dally, dear. Don't drag behind, called Mr. Duck. Wet face, pouted Baby. Water in my eyes. Mrs. Duck pranced along. See how the rain rolls off your back? Mud, muttered Baby. Mud, mud, mud. Don't dawdle, dear. Don't lag behind. Mr. and Mrs. Duck skipped ahead. They waddled, they shimmied, they hopped in all the puddles. Baby dawdled and dallied and pouted and dragged behind. Oh, look at her. She's like, I don't want to be outside. She sang a little song. I don't like the rain one neck, splashing down my neck. Baby feathers soaking wet. I don't like this mean old day. Are you singing? Called Mr. and Mrs. Duck. What a fine thing to do in the rain. Baby stopped singing. Grandpa was waiting at the front door. He put his arm around Baby. Wet feet, he asked. Yes, Baby said. Wet face, Grandpa asked. Yes, Baby said. Mud, Grandpa asked. Yes, Baby said. Mud, mud, mud. I'm afraid the rain makes Baby cranky, clucked Mr. Duck. I never heard of a duck who doesn't like the rain, worried Mrs. Duck. Is that a fact? Grandpa kissed Baby's cheeks. Grandpa took Baby's hand. Come with me, Baby. They went upstairs to the attic. We're looking for a tall, green bag, Grandpa said. Wow, they're looking for a tall, green bag. There it is right there. Finally, they found it. Inside was a beautiful red umbrella. There were matching boots, too. These used to be your mother's, Grandpa whispered. A long time ago, she was a baby duck who did not like the rain. Baby opened the umbrella. The boots were just the right size. Baby and Grandpa marched downstairs. My boots! cried Mrs. Duck. "And my bunny umbrella." "No, mine," said Baby. "You look lovely," said Mrs. Duck. Mr. Duck put a platter of pancakes on the table. After that, Baby and Grandpa went outside. Pitter-pat, pitter-pat, pitter-pitter-pat. Oh, the rain came down. It poured and poured. Baby Duck and Grandpa walked arm in arm in the rain. They waddled, they shimmied, they hopped in all the puddles. And Baby Duck sang a new song. "I really like the rain a lot, splashing my umbrella. Big red boots on baby feet. I really like this rainy day." The end. Oh, that was a fun story. Oh my goodness, did you see those cute boots and matching umbrella? You know what? It's hard to believe that Mama Duck was a baby duck who did not like the rain a long time ago. I like that umbrella. They have bunnies on it. You see that? That's so cute. That's a fun book to read together. Our next book that I would like to read together is, let me see. Maybe we can read. Oh, I have so many. Let's see this one. Let's read this one. I think we've shared this one together before, but I like to sometimes read a book again because it's so much fun. And this book is called Rain by Sam Usher. And someone is sitting on the steps holding an umbrella. Wow. You could tell it's been raining a lot. There's puddles. When I woke up this morning, it was raining. I couldn't wait to go outside. Granddad said perhaps it was best to stay indoors. But I said, I like going out in the rain. You can catch raindrops, splash puddles, and look at everything upside down. But Granddad said, let's wait for the rain to stop. So we waited and waited and waited. But did the rain stop? No. So I said, Granddad, I like to go on a voyage with sea monsters. And Granddad said, let's just wait for the rain to stop. But did the rain stop? No. So we waited some more, and Granddad got very busy writing. I said, Granddad, I like to visit the floating city with acrobats and carnivals and musical boatmen. But Granddad said, quick, let's go. I need to get this in the mail. But had the rain stopped? Yes! Whoa, look. That's a lot of rain. There wasn't a moment to lose, so we got ready and stepped outside. It was time for an adventure at last. Oh, look at them. They're having fun. Granddad made me captain. It started to rain again. Oh my goodness. So we caught raindrops. and Granddad let me mail his important letter. Look at that. They finally made it to the mailbox. Back on dry land with warm socks and hot chocolate, Granddad said, "You see, the very best things are always worth waiting for." And I agree. I hope it rains again tomorrow. The end. Oh, that was a fun story. So you know what? If you come past the library and pick this book up, you can see all the detailed illustrations that's in this book, because it's some fun pictures. Everything that they met on the way to mail the letter. Fun story by Sam Usher. Rain. Oh my goodness, that was super fantastic. So let's see what we can do now. I would like for you to maybe get a book at home and do like this. Whoa. What does that sound like to you? It sounds like it's raining. So if you have your book, let's learn a little rhyme. You ready? Pitter-pat, pitter-pat. Oh, the rain came down for hours. And though it keeps me in the house, it's very good for flowers. Can we do that one more time? Okay. Pitter-pat, pitter-pat. Oh, the rain came down for hours. And though it keeps me in the house, it's very good for flowers. Yay! Now, if you want to have a storm at your house, you have to make it rain really, really hard. But I like a gentle rain, just a little pitter-pat, okay? Good, I like that. Our next little story that we're going to share together, we're going to do this 2 ways. So we're actually going to maybe highlight another skill today. This one is called Little Cloud by Eric Hall. So this is a lot of pictures, so we're going to look at this one together. Little cloud drifted slowly across the sky. Little cloud trailed behind. Oh, so the other clouds were drifting and little cloud trailed behind. The clouds pushed upward and away, and little cloud pushed downward and touched the tops of houses and trees. The clouds moved out of sight. Little cloud changed into a giant cloud. Little cloud changed into a sheep. Sheep and clouds sometimes look alike. I think so too. Little cloud changed into an airplane. Little cloud often saw airplanes flying through the clouds. Little cloud changed into a shark. Little cloud once saw a shark through the waves of the ocean. Little cloud changed into 2 trees. Little cloud liked the way the trees never moved and stayed in one place. Little cloud changed into a rabbit. Little cloud loved to watch rabbits dash across the meadow. Little cloud changed into a hat because little cloud changed into a clown and needed a hat. The other clouds drifted back. They huddled close together. Little cloud, they called, come back. Little cloud drifted towards the clouds. Then all the clouds changed into one big cloud and rained. The end. Oh, that was so much fun. But you know what? I need you to help me with something, okay? So this is what we're going to do. Let's see if I can get my little get all my little goodies here. Move this over so our tech person can see. Move this book over out my way. And we're going to do a little cloud sequencing. And so if we can remember how that story went, let's see if you can help me with it. So, we read Little Cloud by Eric Cole. And Little Cloud is going to start changing into things. So the first thing Little Cloud changed into was a sheep. So Miss Tanya is going to find her sheep, and we're going to put our sheep right there. Okay? The second thing Little Cloud turned into was an airplane. And we're going to stick our airplane on the board right there. Okay? Then Little Cloud turned into a shark. Whoa! And here's our shark. And then Little Cloud turned into 2 trees. There we are. And then Little Cloud turned into a rabbit. You're right if you said rabbit at home. There we are. And then Little Cloud turned into a hat. And Little Cloud turned into a hat because Little Cloud also turned into a clown, and a clown needs a hat. And that was the end of the story for what Little Cloud changed into. And so you know what you could do? If you made one of these at home, and you know what, my favorite thing is using a coloring book to find your pictures, then your child can picture walk, or you can tell the story just using the pictures alone, and you can see how much they remember and they learn the order of things, which is very important. So that's Little Cloud sequencing. That was fun. Oh, so wasn't those books fun? Oh my goodness, I really enjoyed the adventures with this little fella when he went out with his grandpa in the rain to mail a letter. You know what? If you would like to read more books about rain, stop by and see us. We're open on Thursday and Friday, and you can pick up more books about rain. I have some on display and some other ones that I know you will enjoy. Until we see each other again, stay safe, be kind, and listen to your teacher. Bye-bye.